The Japanese National Automobile Safety Agency NASFA has published the results of testing the Nissan Roox, Mitsubishi EK Space and EK Cross Space Kai cars using the JNCAP method. Previously, JNCAP estimates were published 2 times a year, but from this year the association decided to provide the Japanese with more operational information. Now the results are published immediately after the crash tests. As part of the tests, JNCAP initiates 2 frontal impacts at a speed of 64 km per hour, about 40% deformable overlap, and also at a speed of 55 km per hour against a non-deformable barrier. Also, a side crash test, bench tests of seats, imitation of a rear impact, a test for injury safety of the front end in a collision with a pedestrian, checks of preventive security systems, and emergency call complex are carried out. Nissan Roox earned 86.54 points out of 100 for the level of protection in frontal impact. In terms of preventive safety systems, the car went all out, taking 82 points out of 82. The same goes for the accident warning device, 8 points out of 8. Mitsubishi EK Space and EK Cross Space received identical ratings. This is not surprising since all cars are assembled on one platform and are the fruit of the work of NMKV, a joint venture between Nissan and Mitsubishi. In total, Nissan Roox received 176.54 points out of 190, Mitsubishi 168.54 points out of 190. All cars received the highest 5-star safety rating.